What is trend analysis for monitoring project risks? Imagine you're trying to predict the weather. You look at past patterns to see if rain is likely tomorrow. In project management, trend analysis works the same way. It helps you spot patterns in your project data to see what might happen next. When managing risks during project execution and control, understanding these patterns is key. It allows you to see if certain issues are getting worse or better over time. Trend analysis involves collecting data on things like schedule progress, costs, resource use, and quality. You then look at this data over multiple periods. By creating charts or graphs, you can see if performance is improving or declining. For example, if your project costs are rising steadily each month, that could signal a risk of going over budget. Or if task delays are increasing, it might mean your schedule is at risk. This technique helps you catch early warning signs. If you see a negative trend emerging, you can act before it becomes a big problem. It also helps forecast future risks by extending current patterns. If delays continue, you might predict project completion will slip past the deadline. Trend analysis also shows if your risk response strategies are working. If a mitigation effort is reducing a risk indicator, that's a good sign. To do trend analysis well, start by setting clear goals. Decide what you want to monitor, like schedule adherence or cost performance. Then gather accurate data regularly. Choose key performance indicators that reflected your main risks. Use simple tools like line charts or more advanced software to visualize the data. Keep updating your analysis as new data comes in. This way, you can spot new risks or opportunities early. Trend analysis often works alongside other techniques like variance analysis, which compares planned versus actual results. It also helps you see if your contingency reserves are enough to cover emerging risks. For project managers, mastering this method means making smarter, data-driven decisions. It turns raw numbers into clear signals that guide your actions. By proactively monitoring risks through trend analysis, you can keep your project on track and avoid surprises during the critical phases of project execution and control.